Hi friends, today we are going to talk about the most important organ in our body, our heart. This is Vishal Vyas and you are watching my YouTube channel at Music and Fitness. So everyone knows what is heart rate. It is nothing but how many times our heart pumps or beats in 1 minute. But do you know what is maximum heart rate? What are the different stages of heart rate? So all of you out there who goes regularly to gym, who plays any sport, who is a fitness freak, health conscious person, everyone should know what are the different stages of heart rate and how you can calculate maximum heart rate for your age. Very important to know. And you also should know, other than maximum heart rate, that is the capacity, you should also know what is the overload value. You should not overload and go beyond that value for your particular age. So everything I am explaining in next 2-3 minutes in a PowerPoint presentation. So go through each and every slide. Just have a pause, take a pause at each slide, go through the detail, and I'm sure it will be very helpful to you. At the later end, after the presentation, I am also sharing one of my short clips, how I achieve my maximum heart rate. And so go through it, and at the end, if you like it, do like, comment and share with your family and friends. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Thank you so much.
Yeah.